ketika video ini sampai ke lu, orang-orang yang umur 20-an something, atau belasan, atau mungkin 25-an something, kalau video ini nyampe ke lu, kasih gue waktu beberapa detik buat jelasin, lu nanti bisa decide, lu mau terus nonton atau lu mau stop berhenti. Jadi gue sekarang umur 30-an something, gue 31, gue 32 tahun ini, sekarang tahun 2025, dan banyak banget hal yang seandainya gue ngerti ketika gue seumuran dengan kalian, 19-an, 18-an, 20, atau early 25 something. Dan lo boleh nggak percaya, lo boleh skeptical, lo boleh cross check ke channel manapun, lo boleh cross check ke teman-teman lo yang seumuran gue sekarang, atau orang tua lo, atau siapapun yang lebih tua dari lo, bener nggak sih yang dibilang sama orang ini? Gue bukan siapa-siapa, gue cuma mau cobain bikin impact at least ke satu orang. Itu bisa jadi lo atau bukan lo, gue nggak berharap banyak. Gue harap bisa ngebantu satu orang, at least orang-orang yang kayak gue dulu, yang gue nggak percaya kalau it's real thing. Dan di sini gue akan cerita hal-hal yang I wish I know when I was in your age. Yang pertama adalah waktu, cuy. Ketika gue seumuran dengan kalian, I think when I was like 20 something, atau belasan, atau di umur-umur gue sekolah dulu, mungkin lo sekarang juga ngerasa kayak Senin become Selasa, and then you will find another Senin lagi kan. Weeks become months, lo akan ketemu dengan Januari, dan you ketemu Januari lagi next year. Dan sampai akhirnya lo realize kalau cuma ada satu tanggal 12 Januari 2016. Cuma ada satu tanggal 12 Februari tahun 2017. Ya nggak sih? Kayak hari itu tuh nggak pernah balik gitu. Time, when it's gone, it's gone. Ketika gue masih muda seumuran dengan lu, gue pikir kayak we have a lot of time. Kita punya all the time in the world. Faktanya enggak, cuy. Lo ingat pandemi COVID-19? It was 1920s, ya nggak sih? Dan sekarang 2025 itu kayak baru kemarin banget nggak sih? Baru kemarin banget orang pada di lockdown, kita nggak bisa kerja segala macam. It's already like 4 years ago. Time was so fast. So when I was in your age, gue nggak pernah berpikir kalau gue punya waktu terbatas. Lo tahu nggak sih harapan hidup orang Indonesia menurut BPS 73 tahun something. Dan ketika gue umur 31, udah hampir 45% dari jatah hidup gue gitu. Dan ya oke, lo bisa argue kalau misalnya ada orang yang hidup sampai 80, 90, tapi come on, hidup lo di umur 70 tahun, it's a lot of things that limits you. Lo nggak bisa naik motor ratusan kilo, lo nggak bisa kena angin malam, ngilu-ngilu, ya nggak sih? Yes, ada orang yang umurnya sampai segitu. Tapi, you know, friend of mine ada juga yang he doesn't make it 30. So while you got time now, just wise to use it, because the time that you have, it will never coming back. All the days that you waste, it will never coming back. All the weeks that you live, it will never coming back. So please use it wisely. You can learn things, you can go with friends, you can study things, you can do something. Nggak harus yang make it you success, nggak harus yang something big, but at least do something. Just wake up from your bed, just open your doors and go somewhere. You help someone, you help your parent, you help your friend, or you just go somewhere and look at the people, or just learn things, just open to wonder. You learn why the traffic light is red, green, and yellow. Like you learn why some cities is cooler than the other one. I mean anything. Your time is limited. Lo pernah dengar istilah ini nggak? A man has two lives, and the second life start when he realized that he doesn't have any. The second life is never exist. When I was turn 30, ketika gue umur 30 tahun, gue realize kayak, oh my goodness, I was wasting time so much. Lu nggak realize sekarang, karena when I was in your age, I was feel like I have all the time in the world. Dan ketika gue realize when I don't have anymore, it was like yesterday. Gue lulus kuliah 2016 and I was thinking like it was yesterday. So that the first thing you have to remember that you have a time limit. You don't have all the time. You have your own time. I mean, beberapa orang nggak nyampe di umur 60 tahun, 70 tahun. Beberapa orang nggak nyampe di umur 30 tahun. A friend of mine was passed away when he was 25. I mean, your time is limited. One day it's gonna end. It could be tomorrow. It could be the day after tomorrow. You never knows it. So use your time wisely. The second one is about personal finance. I know, gue ngerti di umur lu pada sekarang itu mungkin masih disupport dengan orang tua, atau mungkin lu baru mulai kerja, atau mungkin lu baru masih kuliah segala macam. Learn about personal finance. That thing is never diajarin di sekolah. Gue nggak pernah diajarin gimana gue cari duit. Kerja, yes. Gue nggak pernah diajarin gimana mengelola duit. Budgeting, we never been teach about that, right? Berhutang yang baik seperti apa, kita nggak pernah diajarin. Nih, paling gampang sekarang, bagaimana caranya kita ngelihat sebuah perusahaan yang baik dari laporan keuangan mereka. Seberapa besar they make money, seberapa besar income mereka, seberapa besar pengeluaran mereka. I mean, it's a lot of things that make a company great, like company culture and other a lot of things. Tapi kalau misalnya when the company don't have money, when a company don't earn money more than they spend money, they're collapse, cuy. Mereka bangkrut, cuy. Dan kalau misalnya company yang gede, you name it, company yang gede, mereka mengelola keuangan mereka dengan segala macamnya, dan sama mereka butuh professional accountant. Can you imagine with your life? Like, your life is like the company. You are the CEO. Nggak ada company yang, ya udahlah, sambil ngalir aja. But look at you. When I was in your age, gue nggak pernah ngerti duit gue kemana aja sih. I have money, I wanna buy something. I have money, I wanna buy something. I spend it, I got paid again. I spend it, I got paid again. I spend again, paycheck to paycheck. Right? You have to start learning how to manage your money, including how to earn more, how to spend less, how to budgeting wisely. Money is come from blood and tears. It's like from your time. Lu kerja 9 jam sehari, 8 jam sehari. Dan lu tidur 8 jam sehari, lu di jalan 2 jam, 3 jam sehari, and your time, it's just gone for work. You have to wise to manage your money. You have to learn about managing personal finance. You have to learn about compounding interest, how to invest money. You have to learn about buying stocks. You have to learn about buying obligations. You have to learn about cryptocurrency. You will never be scammed if you know that kind of thing. Kayak lo harus belajar tentang compounding interest. Einstein pernah bilang, gue nggak tahu ini benar apa enggak. Einstein pernah bilang, kita punya 7 keajaiban dunia nggak sih? Keajaiban dunia ke-8, it was compounding interest. Dan dia bilang, who understand it will earn it, and who doesn't will pay for it. For example, ketika lo nabung 1 juta, lo diamin 1 juta setahun, lo dapat bunga 10%. Next year, duit lo jadi 1.100.000 tambah 10%. Lo diamin lagi, next year, bunga lo bukan 100.000 lagi 10%, tapi udah 110.000, karena 10% dari 1.100.000, dan multiple. The same thing with the debt. Ketika lu punya utang dan lu nggak bayar semuanya di jatuh tempo dan lu biarin, bunga lu juga berbunga. Then you pays it. Dan compounding interest is not always about the finance, but when you learn something, Lu pernah realize nggak ketika lu belajar satu hal, let's say lu belajar bahasa misalnya, you learn English because you love English, right? Or you learn other language, you learn Francis, or you learn about, you name it. You belajar susah banget minta ampun. Tapi ketika lu bisa dan lu belajar hal yang lain, it's become a lot more easier. Ya nggak sih? Karena your brain, they already receive a lot of information. When you learn something new, they will use those information to learn something more. That's also compounding. When you learn about science, you learn about time, you learn about gravity, you learn about language, you learn about music. You learn about music is not only belajar tentang tone. Lo belajar tentang pattern. Ketika lo belajar tentang critical thinking, lo belajar tentang problem resolving, the way people think, like how people think, right? So that's a compounding interest. You learn finance, invest on something, learn stock. What is saham, obligasi, reksadana? Gimana cara berhutang yang baik dan segala macamnya. You learn when you age. Ketika gue udah, I love to finance thing, dan gue nggak bisa cara ngatur duit yang baik dan benar karena gue nggak pernah diajarin. Dan time by time I learn, I know to do that. But I wish I know when I was in your age. Sekarang lu mungkin 20 tahun atau belasan, let's say 17 something. Lu mungkin sekarang di bangku sekolah menengah atas, atau lu sekarang mungkin di bangku kuliah, atau lu sekarang mungkin di kerjaan. Lu pernah mikir gini gak sih? Teman-teman gua SD itu sekarang tinggal siapa ya? Teman-teman gua SMP sekarang tinggal siapa ya? Atau teman-teman gua kuliah sekarang tinggal siapa ya? Lu kebayang gak sih dari teman kelas lu mungkin 34 orang sekarang tinggal ya I think 3, 4, 5. Teman-teman kampus lu yang dulu banyak banget sekarang mungkin tinggal ya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ya gak sih? People come and go. Buat kalian, teman-teman kalian is become like your masa lalu, your past tense. Ya gak sih? Tapi menurut teman-teman kalian adalah bagian dari masa lalu mereka. People come and go, and there is a time that your friend will go. The nearest people in your life will go. So make a moment with them. You will never know when the last time you will see them. You will never know. Kapan lu ketemu sama teman lu lagi? Lu sekarang main sama teman-teman tongkrongan lu atau teman-teman kerja lu. You never know if that gonna be the last time you meet them. So just be in the moment. Ketika lo lagi pergi, don't sibuk dengan gadget. Don't sibuk dengan social media. Be in there. You know, ketika lo get older, ketika I am getting older, teman-teman gue tinggal, ya I think 2 atau 3 atau berapa. Ya gak sih? So just make a moment. Ketika lu mau ketemu sama temen lu, just treat it like this is the last time you meet them. You will never see them again tomorrow. Right? Ketika lu realize semua orang adalah tokoh utama di hidupnya masing-masing, adalah tokoh utama di cerita hidupnya masing-masing. There will be a time that people go from your life and replaced by the new one. So just wise. Kemudian yang paling penting ketika gue di umur kalian adalah kalian pasti aware sama hal yang namanya we cannot make all people happy. We cannot make everyone happy. Satu, it's not important to make everyone's happy, dan it's impossible to make everybody's happy. Lu bisa bikin si A seneng, while si B mungkin nggak seneng. Lu bisa bikin si C seneng, while si A mungkin nggak seneng. Because they always have their POV, their point of view. Menurut A benar, menurut B bisa salah, dan seterusnya dan seterusnya. So it's stupid thing when you try to impress people, when you try to looks good, alih-alih you trying to be good. So I wish I invest on me more than I know. I take courses, I take online classes, I learn from YouTube when the people speak. I learn how to communicate well. I learn languages. I learn about IT, AI, coding. I learn about finance. I learn about science, time, physics, and a lot of things. Dengerin gua. People come and go. Your friends come and go. Your brothers, sisters come and go. Even your family, your mom and dad come and go. But the only person who stay is you. You are the person who never leave you alone. When you got sick, that one the person will stay. When you got happier, that one the person will stay with you. When you go on something, he is the person who stay with you. He is you. So take care of you. You come first. No other people. You come first. Because you got sick, you got sick. You got happy, you got happy. So always invest yourself. When you are still young, like in the 20s, you got fail on something, you try again. You got fail on something, you try again. You learn something new that you never know before. That's okay, because you don't need to figure it out everything at once. Gue gak pernah tahu kenapa gue learn aljabar waktu itu. Gue gak pernah tahu kenapa gue suka belajar tentang, time, like the 3-dimensional space, 4-dimensional space, algebra, trigonometry. But that kind of things teach me how to think, how to secara statistik gue berpikir, problem solving, segala macam. And it's become like general knowledge. Then it's very important. So just invest in yourself. Learn as much as possible. Learn from anyone you met. It could be your friend, your classmate, your coworker, your brothers and sisters, even anyone that you met in the street. Ketika lo belajar, ketika lo beli nasi goreng, you learn something from them. At least you have the idea, the old people life, like the family. The head of the family, you should get the money, they sell nasi goreng, mie goreng, they sell minuman. Gue suka banget sama namanya traveling. Gue suka sama motoran jauh beratusan meter, karena when I see people, I learn something. Naik motor di pinggir jalan, maksudnya naik motor di jalan dan lu lihat banyak buat kehidupan orang-orang di pinggir jalan. You will learn something. So, just invest in you. You learn anything you want, even something with the thing that you don't want, because you never know that in the future, that kind of thing is the thing that you want. Invest in you. Don't try to impress others. When you grow old, when your time passing by, when you get older, so your mom, your dad is getting older. They get old also. Sekarang lu mungkin nggak ngerasa ketika lu masih tinggal bareng segala macam, lu lihat mereka tiap hari dari pagi sampai siang sampai malam. Oh, at least dari kalian pulang sekolah, kalian pulang dari kampus, lu lihat mereka. Lu nggak ngerasa perbedaannya, tapi ketika lu udah merantau and then lu jarang lihat mereka setiap bulan, mungkin sekali atau beberapa bulan sekali. When you saw them, I cannot say anything. They get older. My mom is already like 70s, and my time was passing by without her. It was so sad, because when I was growing myself, their time is days by days gone. So just make time for them. Make time for them before it's too late.